It's really good. Okay. No question?
Sister, I have
Yes.
a question
Mm-hmm.
that about the first day our meeting.
Mm-hmm.
That not every time we have a question, then we have to answer like that, right?
What do you mean?
I mean, is that for the opening? It's just like, okay, I asked you about sis Rahel. What do you think about your job now? Is that interesting or not like that? But after that, if we continue it with the other question, no need to say, oh, what that a great question or something
Oh,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah, of course, of
Yeah.
course. Of course. It's only okay, so that's the question.
Mhm.
Okay, so maksudnya itu jadi for example that if every questions that someone gave to you, so you don't have always respond with oh what a great questions. That's the questions, right? Maksudnya nggak selalu harus pakai
Yeah.
ekspresi begitu. Betul. Jadi tidak harus selalu jadi contoh for example apa namanya kalau dalam sebuah percakapan conversations with a foreigner karena kita memposisikan diri kita saat kita sedang bercakap-cakap dengan foreigners gitu ya. Dan mereka ketika mereka bertanya tidak selalu setiap pertanyaan mereka ada 10 pertanyaan kita harus kasih ekspresi seperti itu. Jadi intinya nanti ekspresi itu akan berkembang ketika kita itu sudah terbiasa. Maksudnya jadi kalau ketika kita itu sudah terbiasa dengan conversations in English, nanti kita itu akan ketemu pola patternnya. Yang penting adalah gimana caranya kita itu harus berbicara, bercakap-cakap dengan lebih panjang. That's the point. Jadi kita nggak mesti harus selalu dengan ekspresi yang sama. Oh, what a great questions. It can be like that sometimes. Tapi mungkin juga kita bisa dengan ekspresi, it's really tough the questions. I don't expect about that questions. You know, that kind of expression tuh sama aja seperti kita dalam percakapan bahasa Indonesia. Ketika kita ditanyakan suatu pertanyaan yang sulit, kadang kita akan berekspresi dengan, aduh pertanyaannya sulit banget ya, gitu. Jadi kurang lebih seperti itu. Jadi tidak harus selalu menggunakan ekspresi itu. Just sometimes, sometimes. Jadi ketika kita benar-benar apa ya, ketika kita benar-benar bereaksi seperti, waduh, pertanyaannya bagus banget nih. Nah, kita boleh kasih ekspresi seperti itu. But just you can make it longer the explanation-nya. Seandainya seperti itu. Jadi itu tuh hanya contoh aja. That's really good questions actually, Sis Yosi. Apakah menjawab?
Thank you.
Mhm. Okay, is there any other question? Jadi intinya dengan contoh ekspresi yang kemarin ditunjukkan itu adalah cuma contoh sebuah ekspresi aja ya. Tapi ekspresinya seperti apa? Just be honest dengan ekspresi yang kita mau tunjukin. Apakah itu benar-benar pertanyaan yang bagus? Apakah itu pertanyaan yang biasa aja? Atau itu pertanyaan yang sangat tidak diekspektasi seandainya gitu. Nah itu boleh kita tunjukin dengan ekspresi kita. Tapi nggak mesti harus selalu. Karena ntar kesannya jadi kayak boring gitu. Seperti itu ya.
Yeah. Yes, I think so. I agree with your opinion because with my experience when I speak with foreigners, it's like my director or president director, not have expression is like that.
Ya, betul sekali. Jadi ekspresi itu tidak harus selalu ditunjukkan setiap kali. Jadi
Yes.
boleh sesekali aja gitu. Itu dan kadang-kadang ekspresi itu sebenarnya perlu ketika karena akan membuat si foreigners-nya merasa bahwa oh kita itu interest ya sama pertanyaannya gitu. But again, just go back to the point that we only have to make the conversations longer. Ekspresi itu adalah cuman bentuk sebuah ekspresi kejujuran dari kita aja. Jadi kalau memang kita merasa pertanyaannya itu sangat menarik, kita boleh tunjuk, wih,
Yes.
that's really good questions gitu. Tapi kalau menurut kita tuh, ya pertanyaannya biasa aja ya nggak usah ditunjukin dengan ekspresi, tapi dipanjangin di penjelasannya. Bisa seperti itu gitu. Jadi hanya untuk di case-case tertentu yang kira-kira pertanyaan itu sangat menggelitik seandainya, atau pertanyaannya sangat menarik, atau pertanyaannya sangat di luar dugaan, sampai gitu. Seperti
Yes.
itu aja sih.
I think so. That is suddenly expression.
Ya,
With
betul,
really
spontaneous.
spontaneous.
Betul. Yes, that's really that's the point. Okay, so is there any other question before I enter the topic for today? Ini tetap sama ya, seperti yang kemarin kita akan lanjutin. Ini satu, if I'm not mistaken tuh 5 hari. Yes, 5 hari itu kita akan tetap di materi yang kurang lebih sama tentang yang kemarin. Jadi gimana caranya how to speak with the pattern dan beberapa contoh pilihan-pilihan kalimatnya. Okay, so if there's no question, so I will continue with the material day 2. Wait, let me share. Okay, so it's about that's a great questions. Kalau kemarin kita udah kasih tahu pola patternnya, nah sekarang adalah pilihan options dari cara kita ngomong ketika kita mau opening the phrases. Jadi kalau kemarin yang what? Oh wow, that's a great questions. Itu adalah contoh dari opening phrase-nya. Dan ini adalah contoh pilihan-pilihan kalimatnya ketika kita mau membuat opening phrase. Untuk semi formal atau casual openings, this is the examples of some options. Jadi boleh ya, ini cuma contoh options aja, tapi nanti di setelahnya itu kalian bisa kembangkan sendiri dengan bagaimana ekspresi kalian saat itu, spontannya seperti apa. Dan this is the example. So, tunggu sebentar. Bro Joshua, could you just help me to read this one, please? Dari atas sampai ke bawah, semuanya.
Okay. Oh wow, nice question. To tell you the truth, it's a great question, honestly. My favorite question, I think. Well, what a good question talking about this. Oh God, I suppose it's hard to answer, but yeah.
Yeah, that's really good. Thank you so much, Bro Yosua. Okay, so it's because ini tuh untuk semi formal atau casual openings ya. Jadi ini kondisinya adalah ketika kita ngomong tuh mungkin di luar meetings gitu atau ketemu sama foreigners yang kita udah tahu gitu. So how to answer, how to make the opening phrases-nya seperti ini. Kalimatnya contohnya seperti ini. But with more expressions gitu ya. Jadi dengan sedikit lebih berekspresi kalimatnya contohnya, oh wow, nice questions to tell you the truth. Karena sebenarnya the point itu adalah bagaimana cara kita bereaksi, berespon. Jadi respon cara intonasi ngomongnya seperti apa, begitu ya. Dan wow, that's great questions. Honestly, blah blah blah. Atau oh, my favorite question so far, I think, blah blah blah. Atau well, what a good questions. Talking about this, ini seperti yang kemarin. Atau bisa juga oh God, I suppose it's hard to answer, but yeah, blah 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 blah. Gitu. Contohnya seperti itu. Itu kalau untuk semi formal atau casual opening. So what about formal atau academic opening? So siapa di sini? Probably tunggu sudah. Bro Abian, could you just help me to read this one, please?
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Mhm.
That's a great question, to be honest. Oh, this is quite hard to answer, but for me,
Mhm.
I see, but may I have some time to think about it? In my opinion,
Mhm.
well, give me some time to think, please. But I think this is the most challenging question. Well, I suppose.
That's really good. Okay, so thank you so much, Bro Abian. Yes, itu untuk ekspresi yang academic formal, formal atau academic openings. Jadi lebih formal situations ya. You can use these kinds of sentences in meetings, for example, gitu, atau suasana yang lebih formal. Atau bisa juga kalimatnya, that's a great questions, to be honest. Oh, this is quite hard to answer, but for me, I see, but may I have some time to think about it? In my honest opinion, nah, ini tuh kalau ketika sometimes tuh kita tuh dikasih pertanyaan yang mendadak dan kadang-kadang kita tuh nggak tahu cara ngeresponnya seperti apa atau kita lagi berusaha untuk menyusun kata-katanya. Nah, karena kalimat ini agak sedikit lebih panjang, jadi kita bisa punya waktu sepersekian second untuk preparing about our answer. Jadi kita bisa bikin kalimatnya, oh I see, but may I have some time to think about it gitu. Tapi bukan berarti yang kita benar-benar jadi takes a lot of times, tapi cuman kayak persekian second untuk mikir tentang jawabannya. And in my honest opinion, well, bla 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 gitu. Atau bisa juga pakai kalimat yang well, give me some time to think, please. What I think about this is bla bla bla. Jadi semua itu akan sampai message-nya tergantung dari gimana cara kita menyampaikan. Jadi ekspresi dan intonasi kita itu juga perlu ya untuk ketika dalam formal situations dan cara kita menjawab. And then this is the most challenging questions. Well, I suppose bla bla bla. Seperti itu. Oke, so ini yang paling sering dipakai biasanya, tapi bukan berarti you have to choose about this. So just choose yours, your which one that it's your favorite gitu. Atau bisa juga membuat kalimat sendiri, tapi kurang lebih seperti itu. Nah, yang pertama itu that's great questions to be honest. Atau bisa juga pakai I see, but may I have some time to think about it? In my honest opinion, blah blah blah. Or oh God, I suppose it's hard to answer, but yeah, blah blah blah. Gitu, seperti itu ya. Okay, so is there any one of you that want to practice with me? So just let's raise hand, guys. I will give you some questions like yesterday, so we can discuss it with this answer. How the way to answer to make it longer. Ya, pertanyaannya sama, mirip-mirip guys, jadi kayak yang kemarin. So that's the point. The to practice is how the way you make everything your answer longer. Jadi jawabnya gimana biar lebih panjang. Seperti itu ya. Ada, kalau tidak ada yang raise hand, aku akan pilih ya. Yang belum pernah praktis ya. Okay, so my first questions goes to Sis Atria Chandra. Hello.
Hello, Sis Rachel.
Okay. Hello. So what about you? Like, I want to give you a question. So you explain about this. Like, do you like traveling? Why you like traveling or why not? And then what is your favorite type of holiday? The type of holiday, like you prefer to go indoor or outdoor, or you prefer to go to nature, the destinations, or you prefer to go like city, like mall or something like that. So what about you?
Thank you for your questions.
Mhm.
Well, this is quite hard for me to
Mhm.
answer this because I don't really traveling much
Mhm.
lately,
Mhm.
and I'm not a typical person that love to travel in
Oh,
my leisure time.
okay.
Yeah, but if I have to choose what kind of holidays um, that would be my favorite type.
Nature.
Mm,
Okay.
I would choose maybe like a type that I don't have to go anywhere, but only in a
Okay.
place like
Oh, like
a
staycation.
staycation.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Okay.
Yeah, that would be my favorite type of holiday because I don't have
Mm.
to go anywhere else
Ah,
than a
interesting.
bed.
Mm-hmm. Ah,
Yeah.
okay. But why not? Why you don't like traveling that much?
I can say that I'm a typical person that don't like to go
Mm-hmm.
somewhere and
Mm-hmm.
prefer spend my leisure time at my own room.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that maybe that's the reason why I don't really like to travel around.
Oh, that's really interesting. Well, actually, so how you do your leisure time? What did you do in your leisure time?
Let me think about it. Actually, in my leisure time, I think I love to learn new things.
Mm-hmm.
Like basically like these things.
Oh, like okay.
Yeah, I never take a course, and
Mm-hmm.
especially for a professional
Mm-hmm.
business
Mm-hmm.
purpose like this. Then I think I have a spare time after my works, and then these things is catch me up. So
Oh, wow.
uh,
Sangatlah berfaedah sekali ya leisure time ya Sis Atria ya.
I don't know.
Okay, interesting.
Since I can do it in my home and I don't have to go
Okay.
anywhere else.
Okay. That's really cool. Oh, berarti kemarin pas lagi COVID itu benar-benar there is no impact for your life ya berarti. Berarti sangat
Yeah.
menikmati sekali ya. It's just like a holiday for you.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's what
interesting.
like a holiday. I don't have to go anywhere else
Yeah.
rather than my room. My
Uh-huh.
this is the most coziest place
Ah,
for me.
oke. Jadi nggak stres sama sekali kemarin COVID ya?
No, not at all.
Okay, interesting. Okay, so thank you so much, Sis Satria, to talk to me
Thank you,
here. That's
Sis
really good.
Rachel.
Okay, next, so I will talk with someone else here. So who is that? Wait. What about Sis Anggi? We never talk, I think. What about you? Are you available? Sis atau bro ya?
Sis.
Okay, so what about Sis Anggi? So hello, Sis Anggi.
Hello, Sis Rachel.
Okay, so what about you? So, how do you choose your destinations when you do traveling? Do you like traveling? Start from there first.
That's a great question. To be honest, I'd like traveling, especially when I go to the mountain. I
Oh.
can see the beautiful view, fresh air, make me feel calm and relaxed. I always like touring with my husband. Usually we are go to the Puncak, Cianjur, Sukabumi, or Bandung with motorcycle. We are agree if we need to do it maybe every month.
Oh, every month.
Yes.
Hiking.
No hiking, but just touring.
Oh, just touring. Wow,
Yeah.
interesting. Okay, so why you love the touring more than another traveling way?
Because when we are touring, we can see the view like
Mm-hmm.
street,
Mm-hmm.
view of mountain, and then we can meet the other,
Mm-hmm.
meet so many people.
Okay, and then what kind of transport do you prefer on holidays?
Prefer we are using motorcycle.
Using motorcycle. Okay,
Yes,
because
of
it's more
course.
free for you, yeah, and it's faster.
Yeah, yep,
Okay.
betul.
So which one is the longest destinations that you've been through before?
Maybe Bandung,
From Jakarta.
from Depok. I'm
Oh,
from Depok.
From Depok. Oh,
From
because you
Depok,
live from
yes.
Depok, so you are from Depok. Start from Depok to
Bandung,
Bandung. Oh, how many
yes.
hours that you have to through in by motorcycle?
Maybe if we go to the Bandung early
Widors.
morning, maybe 2 hour,
2
2 and 30 hour.
hours. Oh, 2
Yes.
hours by motorcycle.
Mm.
Oh, okay. It's without stop.
We stop for
Oh, it's
breakfast.
stop. Oh, okay, for breakfast. Okay, interesting. Okay, so thank you so much, Sis Anggi.
Thank you, Sis
Thank
Tasha.
you. Okay. So, one more ya, one more. Coba. Ada yang mau? Ada yang mau coba? Just try to talk.
Yes, Tiwi speaking.
Okay, so Sis Tiwi, what about you? Do you like traveling? What is your favorite type of holiday? So basically just talk about traveling.
Really, traveling, I like maybe twice in a month because I was very boring in office, a
Oh,
long day, a
okay.
long month, and then
Mhm.
I and my husband always take a staycation, sometimes visit to the natural.
Mhm.
It's like Bogor, and then to find the culinary, and then to Bandung, Braga, sometimes to Jogja, and then very many places we have visit.
Okay. And then what is your favorite type of holiday? You prefer to like tadi siapa tuh ya? Yang maksudnya suka yang just only for staycations, or you prefer to nature, or you prefer to city? What about that?
I prefer to city because there are many culinary. So
Mhm.
because we are eating many menu, many
Mhm.
menu.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
okay. You have
yes,
some options, yeah, a lot more
yes,
options.
yes, more option.
Okay. And then what kind of transport do you prefer on holidays? You prefer by train, by car, or by bus,
By
or by
car,
plane?
yeah, by car,
Oh, by car.
yes, because we drive with my husband, and then if my husband tired, so I drive
You change.
yes,
Ah,
Johnson.
okay, okay. So it's better. So you like traveling that much?
Yes, of course.
Okay, that's really cool. Interesting. Okay, so thank you so much, Sis Tiwi.
Thank you.
Okay, yuk yang cowok-cowok ada yang mau coba? Ada yang mau coba? Is there any one of you wanna try? Wait. Siapa yang belum pernah coba ya? Bro Imam, what about Bro Imam? Are you there, Bro Imam? Are you available?
Yeah, I'm here. That's
Okay.
a good question.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I'm working at a cruise ship, so I traveling a lot. I spent 8 months to traveling and work also.
Oh, 8 months.
Yeah, 8 months. Sometimes they
Traveling to
give me
where?
extra 1 month abroad.
Oh,
Sometimes we have cruise.
wow.
Yeah. Sometimes we have cruise on explore, sometimes Jamaica, like that. So I spend 8 months. Sometimes they give me extra 1 month or 8 months.
Okay. So how could your company where you work just give you like vacations for 8 months?
No, no vacation. Vacation only 2 months. That's working 8 months. So when I'm on working, I can go outside to traveling.
Oh, okay. So your job is related with like you have to go to abroad.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
Actually, I'm working
nice.
actually I'm working at America, so I visit to America, and then our if
States.
going to when I'm on land, I can go outside traveling.
Oh, wow. That's really cool. Okay. So you work in a company like which is in the US now?
Yes,
Oh, in
yeah,
state.
and
Which
yes,
part of
no, but
states?
Miami.
Oh, Miami. Okay. Okay. So you stay there now?
No, I'm on Karawang. I'm on vacation
Oh, okay. So
for 2
you went
months.
back.
Yeah, next month I go back to America.
Oh, okay. Wow, that's really cool. Miami, the weather is not that different if you compare with Indonesia, right? It's pretty like summer, beaches,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
beach. Ah, okay, interesting. Okay, that's really cool. Thank you so much, Bro Imam.
Okay.
Okay, so what about the other? Okay, so if there is no, ada yang mau coba lagi? Kalau nggak ada yang mau coba, so is there any questions? Or I will divide it you in the breakout group, so you will have more time to practice there with my topics today. So is there any one of you? Kemarin tuh 5 orang tuh oke ya, cukup nggak terlalu penuh kan? Kalau 5 orang ya?
No, it's enough.
Okay, it's enough ya.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I will divide it you in the breakout room if there is no question. So I will divide it. Probably there is 4 or 5 participants in the room. Then my questions, the topic for today is you talk about what is your dream country? Where is your dream country and why? Why you choose that country to be your dream? Okay, so just talk about your dream country and then what do you want to go there? What will you do? Blah, 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 and everything. Your type of holiday, the destinations, and everything. So just talk everything related about your dream country and about traveling, the destinations. Why you choose that country. That's the point, okay? So, okay, there you go.